Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we are doing a look. We're gonna just do a look. We're doing something. How's that? We're doing something. My skin is so dry. It's horrible. Yeah, so we're gonna do a look with new foundation, and I have a couple of ColourPop palettes. We're just going into this IT Anti-Aging Armor Eye Cream because I'm trying to be diligent about keeping my eyes moisturized so they don't look so wrinkly, grapey. Oh, I have something to show you. I did go get a new tattoo yesterday. It is a Hamsa hand. It is supposed to protect you from evil. It is almost done. My lower arm is almost done. One more, and then we're gonna do some filler, and then big piece at the top. Sleeve done. I'm super stoked about it. Jonathan did such a fabulous job, like always. All right, let's see what moisturizer we're gonna use. Oh no, not that one. No, not you. We're gonna use our Glam Glow Volcosmic Matte Glow Moisturizer. Okay. No, not while we're getting ready and doing our video. My hair looks like it has powder in it. It's called dry shampoo. Because it's trying to grow it out a little bit at the top so I can just do a little bit of different styling with it. So it'll get there. It'll get there. We won't worry about that today. Can't worry about you today. Can't think about it today. Alright. So before the end of the year and me committing to I'll say a low buy, not a no buy, because I know me, for the year, I bought this I Love Sarahi Through My Eyes palette. I haven't used it yet. I just opened it last night. This is what it looks like on the inside, so we'll give this a whirl and see how it is. First thing we want to do is put some of our Painterly Pot on our eyes to prime them. Nona was asking me about, what I preferred, the Painterly Pots or the other primers. For me, the Painterly Pot works a lot better, but it's not for everybody. No. Okay. And I am not going to set that down. We're trying something new today. I've tried it a couple times. I can make it work, but it's different. You'll have to excuse me. All my brushes are in front of me for some ungodly reason, instead of being where they're supposed to be. I can find some brush cleaner today. I need brush cleaner terribly. My goodness. I have to take packages back to the post office. And I know there's a lot of packages there for me, because I was sopping. Alright. So, I think I'm going to focus up in here. I'm pretty sure I am. So, I'm going to go into the sandalwood right here, and I'm going to use that as a transition. And see, let's just see how that works out. And this will be another one of our palette tests. And of course I'm going to do a foundation Friday on here. Try out a new foundation I've got a sample of. And see if I like it. It's one of those liquid to powder type foundations, that mattifying ones. Should be good, should be good. Alright. I don't know. Maybe I'll go into this Euphoric right here. And we'll put that on the outer part of our eye. Thinking about doing a matte eye again today. Yeah, let's do that up into our crease. There's quite a bit of kick up in the palette, but I just think that's because it's so pigmented. I just don't know that you can get away from that. Rather it kick up and not struggle with it than it not, you know, then have to struggle with a shadow that's pretty stiff and packed into the palette really well. I know some people say you waste product, but I ain't hit paying on a palette yet. Blew that out on this eye. Maybe I will do a little bit of shimmer. Alright, you see this yellow right here? It's called Wild Soul. I want to use that yellow because it's just calling to me. It's like, please use me on your face. I love yellow. My face is so burnt out. It's freaking horrible. Horrible, I tell you, horrible. Yeah, we're going to put a little bit of shimmer with this thing. Just think it needs it. Gonna go do a little shopping with Mama today. And, okay, so I think I'm going to go with this right here. It's called Mesmerize with my Chickahominy brush. If you've been watching me for a while, you know why I call it the Chickahominy brush. Can't say what it's really called. Just putting a little bit of shimmer right there in the center of my eye. Using it to help blend the shadows together. I feel like I need something in the outer quarter, and I'm gonna go in with this purple here that's called Divina. I want to say that shadow is in her other palette. We're going to use this brush right here. It's a really, really condensed pencil, big fat pencil brush. And because I just want to focus it on the edge to give some dimension. Blend it really well. How's that? How's that? How's that work for you? How's that working out for you? I need to clean it up a little bit, and I'll do that with, because I don't have anything else to clean it up with, I'm going to use a little bit of my my Mario Badescu Aloe Toner. It'll be just enough to clean up the edges. So I'll put a little bit on a little cotton square. Just, yeah. That's better. Now we'll flip the cotton square around so we don't get any of it on our other eye. A little bit more. And do the same thing. Kind of, yeah. Went a little bit too low on that side. Because I couldn't see because my hand was blocking. That's alright. I'm going to take this brush and kind of see if I can make it match up. Okay. I see you. Alright. I am not going to use any primer on my face just because I am breaking out. And I just don't know. I take that back. I'm going to use some on my nose because my pores are disgustingly big. And I have a little dry skin patch right here. I'm just using my Tarte. This is that Clean Slate. Just a little tiny bit, and I'll focus it in my T-zone, but I won't put any primer anywhere else. I saw, I think it was Mel doing it, and she was like, press it in really here, so it will work a little bit better. Okay, dry skin patch gone. Alright, so what we're going to try today for our foundation is this Hourglass Immaculate Liquid Powder Foundation. And this I got, I think, from Sephora. I'm sure I got it from Sephora. I get everything from Sephora. And it says I'm in the color beige. And beige looks a little bit dark for me. I'm just like putting a little bit on my brush because I don't want to get it everywhere, everywhere. And I'm starting in the center of my face and kind of working my way out using my Sigma Flat Kabuki. I would say this is a medium coverage. It's actually moving around pretty well on my face, meaning it's setting, and then I'm able to kind of just spread it out. I don't have to use a lot of product. It's not moving in a bad way. You know, sometimes a foundation will move in a bad way. It'll pick up and move, particularly on my nose. Well, that seems really good. I only used a little bit. I think I could probably get another wear out of the sample. Alright. I'm going to put a tiny bit of concealer on just because I have dark circles. And I'm trying to get rid of them. If I can find some. Well, where is all my concealer gone? There it is. This is my Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Porcelain. I just want to use a little bit here. Don't need a whole lot. I'm actually going to pat that in with a sponge. Yes, I need to clean my sponge. Now, I'm going to do something that I don't So I was watching Raw Beauty Christy, and she was like, yeah, I've kind of changed the way I apply my makeup. I don't set with powder anymore. And I'm like, what do you mean you're not going to set your face? She's like, I don't set. And I'm like, that may be a little bit difficult for me, but we're going to try it. Because I think when you put the powder on, it does make it look a little bit cakey. She doesn't even set under her eyes, which scares the hell out of me. I want to do it so bad. But we'll see. We'll just leave it alone for a few minutes and see. And then we'll come back and do a couple of updates. So we'll just put on some of our Hoola bronzer. On top of that, well, once I hit pan on my bronzer, it is using it up rather quickly. It's like, yeah, we hit pan, Mom. I'll just snatch my nose a little bit. Just blend that down. We are going to put some eyebrow pencil on because my eyebrows look funny without it. I'm not going to do crazy eyebrows today. Got an eyebrow sticking up. Oh well. Just leave it alone, Susan. Just leave it alone. Leave it alone. Just put some color in these brows, and you got stuff to do today. You got time to be playing brow games. Time has gotten away from me this morning. My husband stayed home a little bit and spent some time with me this morning, which was always nice because, you know, we got to spend so much time together over the holidays because I took leave, and but then reality set in and we both went back to work and our regular schedules, so we try and spend a little bit of time together on Saturdays. Alright, we're just putting a little bit of our Milani blush on it. You know, I'm using the center color. I'm praying for pan on that. Okay. A little bit of that. We'll put a little bit of our Cali Glow highlighter on. This is from Persona, which I love. I love Persona. This is my ABH brush I'm going in with. A little bit heavy, I would say. I didn't mean to, but I did go in a little bit heavy. It's alright. I can glow to the gods today. Get a little glow bunny going on there. I'm gonna have to